Well, check this out. New Zealand has yet another new electric vehicle on offer. This is the Leapmotor B10. It's just dropped, and wait till you see the price, the range, and the specs. And you join me in the B10 from Leapmotor. Now, this is the smaller version of the C10. Now, let's talk price and range. There are two flavors of this car available. It starts with the Life version, that's the entry-level version. Clocks in, entry-level price, a launch price, 43 grand, 42,990. That's not bad for the amount of tech you get. As for range with the Life or entry-level version, you get 361 k's per charge, supposedly, WLTP. But then, if you want to spend a little extra money, you can get the design version. That's the fancier version. It gets all the gadgetry in it. That has a bigger battery. That one costs more though. That one clocks in at 48 grand or 47,990. For that, you get supposedly 434 k's out of a charge. And as for battery sizes, if we can get out of this busy intersection, I will tell you battery sizes. They are available in two LFP chemistry batteries, which are, oh, we're off. Here we go. We have a 56 kilowatt hour battery version, and then we have a 67 kilowatt hour battery version. That's in the bigger one. Now, I'm just going to keep this video short to give you some initial impressions. There will be a full review coming very soon. We look at all the details. Hit the subscribe button because that is going to be worth watching. Oh, tell you what, this thing moves. And let's talk motor power. It has a 160 kilowatt motor with 240 torquing Isaacs, but it's rear wheel drive. How about that? A rear wheel drive car that's just got a punchy enough motor to be fun. I like that. Apparently, the 0 to 100 time we've been told is 8 seconds across both model variants. Whether that's true or not, we'll find out in a full review. Hit subscribe. But so far, initial impressions? It's comfortable. And let's talk comfort. Let's look at what you get in this quick Sunday evening overview for you, the discerning viewer. We start with what's right above us. As standard, we get that massive panoramic glass roof. And look at the size of it. It's a monster. If you're a size queen for glass, that will be your daddy. Now, if you do get the entry-level Life version, the more affordable version, it has cloth seats, which if you've watched my videos, you know that I think cloth is better. It doesn't get unbearably hot on a stinking hot summer's day, and it's nice on a cold winter's morning. However, that's only available in the entry-level version. I did talk to one of the guys from Leapmotor. They said, no, you can't get the top-spec one with cloth seats. If you do get the top-spec one, you've got two color variations, but they are synthetic leather, you know, fake leather. But they are both heated and ventilated. Yes, you've got seated seats and ventilated seats in both variations of the top-spec model. Time to test the acceleration. Here we go. There's an Atto 3, which is this vehicle's competitor. Whoa! This thing moves, man! I like it. Left, left, left. It's going to be a short, chaotic car review. Tell you what though, first impressions, not bad, not bad. But then again, I haven't had to live with it for a few days. There's bound to be things I don't like about it. For example, one of the big complaints of the Leapmotor C10 that I reviewed, which overall, fantastic vehicle, but the ADAS, the driver assistance package, was very vocal. It beeped and bonged a lot. This supposedly is much better. We'll find out. Oh, acceleration response is lovely. It's very smooth. Feels good. As for the interior layout, as you can see, it's relatively minimalist in terms of buttons anyway. If you're after a car that has more buttons than a Victorian dress, this might not be your cup of tea. I've only got some basic controls on the steering wheel and what's available on the touchscreen. Now the touchscreen, however, is pretty loaded. There's a lot of features, a lot of gadgetry, a lot of apps. You can see there's Spotify, you've got, well, look at it, TikTok if you want it. You've got an app store as well, so in the future you can load more apps on, and I need to change lane. It also has its own built-in map. Now this is pretty good. It's really detailed as well. As you can see, I'm using it right now to get to our destination. Plus, it's got a 360-degree bird's eye camera view as well, which is pretty good. Definition's good, as is the size of the screen. Massive screen, nice large instrument cluster here as well. It also has, I should point out, in terms of gadgetry, a mobile app, and we had a little demonstration of the mobile app at the car launch, and it does look pretty good. It's got more than just the usual, you know, where is my car and what's the charge level. You can set up your scheduling for your charging. You can obviously open the sunshade, cool it down, but you can also preheat the car. You can preheat its batteries as well. There's an option there. So if you're going to go on a long drive and it's winter, turn that on, warm your battery up. It means that you'll charge faster when you get to your destination. It also means that you're more efficient. You're saving money because instead of preheating from your battery's power, using its own energy to heat itself up, you're using the power from your house, from your outlet, which is even a better thing if you are using Ecotricity electricity, which is the home of New Zealand's cleanest, greenest electricity. I mean, it's from wind, hydro and solar. How can you go wrong with that? Sign up at ecotricity.co.nz. Just be warned, you're going to love it. I'm a tightwad and I use it, so you know it's good. As for robot and fruit connectivity, Android and Apple, it has it. It has it, and apparently it's wireless as well. And speaking of wireless, it's got wireless phone charging right here. On the driver's side only, though, I should point out. And check out what's below. Look at these little cup holders. I thought they were Princess Leia's earphones there, but no. Let's look at space, though. Just a quick overview of what you get. As you can see, above me, loads of room. If I put the seat back, I can't touch the pedals. And I'm 178 centimeters, or in Roman Catholic, 5'10". Loads of room if you're an average, painfully average human like me. In the back, look at the amount of room you get back there. Even though this is only just a little bit shorter than the C10, you still get a lot of room. Plus, in the top spec one, you get a fold-down armrest, you've got vents in the back there, you've got USB-A charging, USB-C charging. Go down further, you've even got a little pull-out cubby hole to stick your spuds in. And moving further back, you have a 430-litre boot. But apparently, if you lie everything flat, and apparently these seats, the front seats, both lie completely flat, you end up with 1,700 litres of space back there. I'll believe that when I see it. But wait, there's more. If you go up to the front, you also get a 25-litre fartment or front compartment. Overall, this thing is space personified. If you pass the event horizon, there's no going back if you get in the boot of this thing. We will do the Mafia test, we will do the Spud Score, we'll do so much more in the full review again. Hit the subscribe button, but I hope your Sunday is a little drier than mine. So far, so good. The Leapmotor B10 looks like reasonable value for money. Stay tuned, more to come.